Sibile, you caught up with Governor Christie. What do you got?
With the whole country watching former FBI Director Jim Comey's testimony before Congress in D.C., I wanted to get reaction from an interested party, Governor Chris Christie. I found him in Dayton, New Jersey, where he was holding an event and talking about the Transportation Trust Fund. But of course, what was on everybody's mind was happening in D.C. at the exact time Governor Christie was holding this event in New Jersey. In light of President Trump picking Chris Wray as the new FBI director, I asked Governor Christie if Chris Wray, who was his lawyer during Bridgegate, would now give him his cell phone back.
Governor, now that President Trump has picked Chris Wray as the new FBI director, will he give you back your cell phone?
I guess if I asked for it.
I mean, was he mad at that, or was it?
No. Actually, Governor Christie took my question very seriously,
Yeah.
and he actually said that he wants to, for everybody, for the record, explain the whole history of the cell phone.
There's so much ridiculousness about this issue, so let me walk through it really carefully for you guys. After I retained Mr. Wray and he had requests for information from that cell phone from the U.S. Attorney's Office, I instructed him to fully cooperate. Mr. Wray and his firm then took possession of the cell phone to be able to convey the appropriate information that was requested by the U.S. Attorney's Office to them. And he just kept the cell phone after that. No reason for me to have it. It had no connection any longer to the cell towers, and it wasn't able to be utilized. So I remember at one time someone asked me, which caused all this ridiculousness, where's the cell phone? I said I didn't know. What I meant by that at the time was that I didn't know whether Gibson Dunn had it or whether King Spalding had it. Didn't know. And I know, because I knew it was going to be asked today, and verified with Mr. Wray that it's still at King and Spalding. I don't care what they do with it. As far as I'm concerned, they can throw it out if they want. It doesn't matter to me.
To put this in context, the reason why Christie's cell phone became so relevant is because there was speculation that there might have been text messages that might have implicated him, saying that he knew what was going on at a time that he said that it wasn't happening. But this was all speculation. The cell phone could potentially have had those text messages implicating Governor Christie, but
I wonder if they keep it charged.
we've never seen the cell phone.
Like maybe he's got pictures on there that he wants.
Games
he downloaded.
Selfies.
Right?
Maybe.
Selfies.
Maybe.
Right, Governor?
Selfies with Trump, maybe.
All right.